What's up, Christers? Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up, Christers? Oh my god. As you probably know, I'm on my jet ski right now. You probably never knew I had jet ski, so you probably never knew. I have a message for Jake. I'm gonna be playing on my jet ski too. At the same time. My sister too. Let's get into that one. Alright, so Jake, I have this message for you. Can I please get an iPhone? I commented on your video that came out December 3rd, which is today when this vlog came out. So I was wondering, I commented some stuff, and just hope you're watching this video so you can go check your video and check out what I said, so that I can probably get my iPhone, a new iPhone. Oh, not good. So, yeah. So, I'll type my where I live. And the vlog that came out today, December 3rd, and you can see where I live. Yeah, so I'm on my jet ski. It's lit. I pull up in the jet ski. That's good. So yeah, I had the perfect idea. I'm going to my sister's one. So this is my sister's. Let me just do the camera. And this is mine. Let me jump to hers. This is mine. Mine actually has to leave faster because it's smaller. So Jake, you're lit. In Team 10, I commented like a few stuff about saying like I want to join Team 10 and stuff because I'm a Jake Paula. I'm okay. Okay. And yeah. So this vlog is going to be like 5 minutes long. Probably more. Right? How can I put the vlog these days? That whole thing. Yo, hi. So let's do this now. You got a video of me. You can see? Oh no, you cannot. No, you cannot. No, you cannot. I'm gonna be jumping here. I might just get right there. So ready? You guys ready? Alright. 1, 2, 3. I'm getting dirty in her seat. I'm messing up. Oh, punch one up. What's on you? Yay! I'm okay. I'm okay. So, yeah, make sure you check out Jake Paul's videos. I'll put his channel in the description. You know. Hello. He lit. Okay, I fell off my jet ski. I'm Gucci. It's every day, bro. Fuck that disease and no flow. I feel my life. WWE is like a new show. So yeah. Oh my god, straight. No, I'm just gonna have to grab it. So yeah, I'll put his link in his channel in the description. Check out his vlog. It is lit every single day. Bruh. And you can see the new Team 10 house. And subscribe to his channel. Turn on post notifications. And give his videos likes. And subscribe to my channel. This is going to be the end. So subscribe to my channel. turn on post notification and like all my videos. Thank you, and dab on the haters like Jake Paul does.